Hello guys, your internal storage is full. This video will show you how to clear your app cache to free up your phone space on Android. First of all, go to your settings on your phone. And then you have to find apps option on your settings. Scroll your screen and here is the apps option and click on it. And then choose the app that you want to clear the cache, and I'll go with what is that? I'll go with gallery. Okay, and then you can choose storage right here and then click clear cache on the bottom of your screen. All right, and then click back button. And then click it again, and you can choose the another app that you want to clear the cache, and you can repeat the same step with before. And for example, I'll go with Google, and you can repeat the step, click storage and click clear cache and click back button. All right. Okay guys, that's how we can clear app cache in our phone, and thanks for watching. See you on the next video.